There are famous outlaws. There are legendary outlaws. And then
I hit him.
there's Lightning Jack Kane.
Uh-oh.
He doesn't need an alias
Ben Doyle, meet Lightning Jack Kane.
because no one ever heard of him.
That's, the Lightning Jack Kane.
But now,
I join your gang. What gang?
a guy who can't speak
Who's there?
is making Jack the talk of the territory.
Kane is of medium height and build and has an English accent.
I don't speak English.
No?
I'm a bloody Australian.
And Jack's teaching Ben everything he knows about gunplay, horseplay,
Get out, Ben.
and foreplay.
Never just jump on a woman. First, tell her she's got a pretty dress, nice soft hair. In your case, stroke it a few times.
Savoy Pictures presents
Of all the women I've had, you're still the only one I never took at gunpoint.
Paul Hogan,
Sleep it. You're going to have to suck the poison out.
and Cuba Gooding Jr. in a story of two outlaws who just wanted to be wanted. Lightning Jack.
I just know I'm good. Real good.